Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to transfer data to your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 using Smart Switch. So, first of all, on our brand new Samsung, we're gonna have to find and open the Smart Switch. We can usually find it in the Samsung folder on the home screen. Let's open it and let's select Receive on this phone, since it's what we want to do. Then we're going to have to select a source, so the source can be either another Galaxy or another Android device, or iPhone or an iPad. In any case, after you select one of these two options, you will see the QR code on your Samsung screen, which will lead you to either some native settings of your other device or to the Google Play Store or an App Store page with the Smart Switch application that you're going to have to install in order to proceed this operation. In newer versions of the iOS, we actually have the native feature that lets us transfer data to Android. So once you scan the QR code using your iPhone, you simply tap Transfer to Android and then confirm by tapping Transfer to Android again. In older versions, you would have to install Smart Switch separately and do basically all the same things. So just tap Continue, then enter your passcode, then scan this QR code once again, and then continue on your Samsung. Now, make sure that both your Samsung and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and unfortunately there are some lags that happen from time to time, like this time when the Samsung didn't recognize the transfer. So we're gonna have to tap it one more time, enter our passcode one more time, and scan the QR code once again. Okay. Let me re-enter the Smart Switch. Okay, so receive on this phone, iPhone. Okay. And now the devices will be verified. Let's wait for a moment. Tap Next and wait until your Samsung is connected to your iPhone. After that, you're gonna have to choose which data will be transferred. And once you are done here, tap Continue, and now it's better if you keep your iPhone connected to power, especially if you have a lot of different applications stored on your iPhone that have to be transferred. Okay, as you can see, we also can install some optional applications that used to be on our previous device, or we can also just unselect them and tap Skip to skip them. Okay. And yeah, we didn't have many files to transfer, so the transfer was completed quite quick. But yeah, as you can see right now, apps and data transfers are complete. Now let's transfer the SIM data. And we could have done that if I actually had the SIM card inserted into my iPhone. As you can see, we don't have SIM card in it. But yeah, after that, the data transfer will be finished, and you'll get all the files from your previous device sent to your Samsung. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.